In this video, I will show you how to sign up for USPS Informed Delivery. So for that, simply open up Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, search for USPS. After that, click on the URL. Scroll down below. Here from the menu bar, you can click on Informed Delivery. Once you're here, you can simply scroll down below. If you already have an account, you can sign in from here. But since you don't, click on Sign Up for Free. Now put in your email, then click on Continue. From here choose your account type, then click on Continue again. From here you have to enter your address, city, state, zip code. After that, then USPS will verify if it's eligible or not. The next page will be about contact information. You have to put in your contact information, your mobile number, your email, etc. And once you're done, you can simply click on sign up for USPS Informed Delivery. From that, you can get this dashboard where you can find how many mail pieces you have, how many packages are on the way, when will they get delivered, will they come today, will they arrive tomorrow, what time it will come, when can you receive the parcel or when can you send your parcel, and that's it. That is how you can sign up for USPS Informed Delivery.